Hi and hello to all watching this video. Today, we the students of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology Jalandhar is going to show you an interesting video on the topic smart work.
Once upon a time, there was.
No. This is not once upon a time. This is a fresh story from last year. This is a story about smart work. Yeah, a boring topic called smart work, which is misunderstood many a time. Just to make it bit more understandable and interesting, we are going to show you a story. Story of three friends, Chulbul, Lakshya and Tharya. First one is Chulbul. He lives up to his name. He's the most mischievous boy of the college and loves to play games the whole day and party all night. Second one is Tharya. He's full of patience and believes in hard work. Third one is Lakshya. He focuses on his goal and work as per the worth of the task. You must have guessed it by now that Lakshya will get the best results. Congratulations if you guessed it, because that's the right answer. It means that you are the person of smart work. So let's just hop right into the story.
Hello.
Hola my bros, what's going on?
Nothing much, yaar. Same as every day. Studies.
This Dumbo is wasting his life, studying all the time. Do you even know the scores of today's India versus Australia match?
Sorry, but I don't watch sports.
Bro, it's not about liking, it's about general knowledge.
Yeah, whatever. I have to study. We're having an exam 10 days later. Don't you know that?
What the hell? No one told me about college exams. Anyways, I don't care.
Wait, what do you mean you don't care?
Remember that Ashish Chanchalani video regarding college exams? Everybody studies one night before exams and gets full marks.
According to me, that's not the case.
You don't want me to get more marks than you by studying one night before. You're just jealous.
Okay, stop fighting. Tell me your plans for the next 10 days.
I'm gonna talk with my friends all day and play games all night.
I will study all day and night and be the college topper.
Lakshya bro, want to go to Pinku's birthday party today?
Oh god, I almost forgot about Pinku's birthday. Hello Dharya, what are you planning to study tonight?
I will start with the working of CRO.
Hey Dharya, why are you so sad?
Bro, I messed up. They were asking different kind of questions. They asked about sports, about world politics, about economy, and I was so blank. Each problem they asked was like a bolt from a blue.
Don't be sad, bro.
Wow, bro. Looks like your interview went well.
Yeah, it was pretty good. All the questions they asked were easy. They even asked about the India Australia match that happened last week. They said that I'm a very good conversationalist. I'm so happy, bro.
don't work unless you do. It is an often heard saying that work smart, not hard. But what really is smart work? And if smart work can bring us success, then why so many of us are still putting their blood and sweat in working hard in achieving their goal? If we know that we can achieve success by becoming a horse, then why really are we powering donkeys day by day? So let's break the ice and talk about smart work. When we work for a given task, depending on its worth, put our efforts and apply our knowledge accordingly to produce maximum results by putting minimum input. It is known as smart work.
Yuck! So confusing. Not easy to understand. We need to turn it simple. There are so many ways to do our work. We can complete a task by pushing it hard, so hard, which takes a lot of power and drains our interest also. But if we do the same work in a way so that our creativity and our energy become the part of our work, it is simply known as smart work.
This requires a minimum effort which causes the maximum impact on the result. By smart work, you can select a constructive path to achieve your goal, which can save your time, energy, mental strength, and your work efficiency.
Wait, does smart work means not to do anything, only start putting the minimum effort and the results will become maximum itself? Here people misunderstood. They think smart work means not to do anything like Chulbul.
Chulbul think he's smart, but he's not smart, he's fool. Actually, it requires a lot of knowledge to understand about work, about strategy, and also strategy.
In reality, Lakshya is doing smart work. Actually, there are some element of smart work. Some of them are time management skill, life management skill, leveraging other people's time, putting yourself first and mind their own business, being agile and adaptable. So Lakshya have all these qualities, so he is smart work.
We have one major problem of our time. In today's world, things are moving fast. Because of that, every year new career introduced to the industry. In this competitive situation, we could not depend only on our education. We have to learn more than our degrees. To learn more and sustain our growth in today's world, we have to adopt smart work in our daily life.
This is the thing which can combine our academic life to the needs of industry. By smart work,
We can learn fast.
we can manage our academic life so that we have more time for other activities.
More time to learn new skill.
More time to grab more knowledge.
More time to curious about life.
More time to enjoy our life.
Smart work is important to manage all these things because we cannot live a happy and joyful life by living any one of the activity. We need to care every state of our life.
As we are upcoming engineers,
Engineer who solve problem.
Who help others?
Who invented for the world?
Engineers who are not a part of crowd.
To become that, we need to work smart, act smart, and think smart. We often heard that hard work is the key to success, but now we should change it because hard work with smart work is the real key to success.